the winds tomorrow will actually diminish as we head through the afternoon. But overnight tonight and tomorrow, you can see what happens. We've got temperatures which are pretty much into the 20s out there, but it also means the wind chill indexes are going to be down to the single digits. Here's the wind chill index that will greet you tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Single digits in most spots. One or two places might even get close to zero again, as they did this morning. But during the afternoon, won't feel nearly as cold. The wind backs off, the temperature warms up, and that sunshine is back out for us. And by the way, looking ahead to Tuesday morning, finally, we don't have to worry about the wind chill index at that point, but we do have to worry about a little bit of snow. You see, we've continued that pattern of cold air flowing in here, but overnight tonight with clear skies, that's why the temperatures will drop off. And then you look way out here to the west, way out here. This is where the next system is coming from. And as it moves in here on Tuesday, it may give us a little bit of light snow, Tuesday night into Wednesday. Tonight, it's clear, it's cold, it's breezy, wind chills in the single digits as air temperatures drop off anywhere between 8 and 22 degrees. Tomorrow, a sunny, breezy day, but not as windy as today, 30 to 36 degrees for your high. Now, that storm that's coming at us, it looks like it'll be moving in here on Tuesday, and then watch what it does. It just kind of fades away and really doesn't do too much for us. Now, I'm not looking for much snow out of this, maybe a light coating in the eastern part of the state. Out to the Berkshires, we might pick up a little bit more snow, but I want to give you a heads up to a storm that's going to develop later this week. Here's the map on Thursday morning. Storm comes off the Carolina coast, gets incredibly strong and powerful, but most of it is staying down to the south and moving out to sea. But it gets so big and so powerful, the wind circulation is such, we might actually have some ocean effect snow. This will be on Thursday into Friday that we're talking about. And by the way, this is going to tap into some really cold air toward the end of the week. You thought this morning was cold? It might even get colder toward the end of the week. All right, we get a little bit of a warming trend going on here, a little bit of light snow Tuesday night to Wednesday, not much. That storm that you see develops offshore, maybe a little bit of ocean effect snow on Thursday, and then it taps into that cold air. It is going to be cold and windy as we look at Friday, Saturday. A little bit of a warming trend as we head towards Sunday, but highs just in the 20s, and the wind that we had today, you know what that means. Wind chill indexes look like they'll be below zero as we head toward the end of the week. Not much snow in this forecast, but certainly a lot of cold and wind. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wonkum.